Hello guys, how you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. Today fam, I'm going to be making this delicious native jollof rice recipe. It was so delicious. I know I've shared several native jollof rice recipes on my channel before now, but yeah, it was the Valentine's Day and I was looking for something to make for my husband. For my husband, he likes beans a lot and he likes vegetables, so I decided to quickly make this combo. Guys, trust me, it was so delicious that I have to name it Love Rice. Yeah, I named it Valentine Day Love Rice recipe. Guys, this rice was so good. It was so delicious. My husband loved it. Emanuela loved it. We ate and ate. You never get tired eating this rice. Come on guys, let's get right into the video. So we're going to be making jollof rice and beans, and I have some pieces of red bell, green bell, orange bell, yellow bell, and I have another red bell here, onions, garlic, ginger, and tomatoes, some scotch bonnets. As an African woman that I am, I'm going to be adding some peppers. So here is my rice. It's been nicely washed. I'm just going to put this combo together and enjoy with my family. On my pot here, I have beans going on. I'm going to wash this out and get things. I'm going to be using red oil for this recipe. This is red oil rice recipe, okay? So I'm going to put in my oil into my pot. As my oil is toasting, I'm going to add some onion and I'll allow it to toast for 60 seconds. So while that is going on, I'm going to blend my peppers, my ginger, my garlic, onion, and all the rest of those good stuffs so we can add it to the pot. I'm going to also go in with okpei and some cloves. This is a very traditional rice recipe with beans. I'll blend. So guys, here's all our pepper blend. I'm going to add it to the pot right away. Add it in like so. You can also go in with tinned tomatoes, which is the paste if you want to. So guys, I decided to go in with some tomato paste. You can choose not to, but for this recipe I choose to go in with some tomato paste, which I'm going to add into the pot right away. I'll go in with my tomato paste. Give it a quick mix. At this point you can go in with your Maggi, but I'm not going to go in with any Maggi. I'm going to be adding some chicken broth, so I'm not going to add no Maggi, no salt until I've added my chicken broth. So this is my chicken broth in the Ziploc. I'm going to throw it in. This is how I saved my chicken broth, my turkey broth, goat broth, meat broth, fish broth, and I use it for things like this. So I'm going to add this in right quick. So I'm going to go in with some stockfish. I've already gone in with my chicken broth. I'll go in with some stockfish. For this recipe we use dried fish. You can use mackerel fish, any fish that you have available. And let your family enjoy this deliciousness. I'm going to be going in with some chicken for my husband's sake, and I'm using hen. So I'm going to go in with my hen chicken. This rice is going to be delicious. Look at that. Look at all that deliciousness already. You all look at that. This is Valentine rice for my husband and my family. This is love rice recipe. This is love rice recipe. Look at that, guys. It tastes fantastic. Trust me. It is so yum, 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 yum. So guys, here is the beans I'm going to be using. You all know we love akidi here, so I'm using akidi for this recipe. Actually, this is the beans that Americans use for their New Year rice recipe, and we call it akidi. And trust me guys, this is a very healthy and delicious. So here in our rice, I'm going to add the beans. We are using smoked catfish that my brother-in-law brought for me, my husband, uncle, my father-in-law. I'm going to be adding it also. I'm going to stir it together and see what the taste looks like. Remember, I added all the broths, so I'm going to stir it up together. This is my love rice recipe. Valentine rice and beans recipe. Valentine Day rice and beans recipe. Oh, this is so delicious. I'll allow this to melt in here. That will cook this rice. And remember, I didn't add Maggi or salt like I said. The broth has everything in it, seasoned, and I'm not going to add no other seasoning. I was going to add crayfish, but I don't think so. Since I've added stockfish, I'm going to add dried fish right away. So here I have some smoked fish. I just put it in a microwave with some salt. I'm going to wash it out and put it in the rice. So guys, I'm going to add this fish. I don't want to break it. I just want to be seeing the fish, which is the love. Don't worry about the bone. This is not for children. It's not going to hurt. Yeah, sometimes I just want to add these fishes like that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh wow, this is love rice for real. Love rice recipe. I'm going to cover it up. I'm going to go in with some egg and the rest of them, some vegetables to make sure we eat healthy. This is my love rice for my family today. So here's my egg. I have like 10 eggs. I have some fresh tomatoes. I have some onion. And here I have some vegetables. We're going to add all of this in and our food is ready. Go in with your eggs like so. Look at that beauty. Ooh. This is a good love portion, you know. This is deliciously made on Valentine's Day for my lovely, darling, sweet, sugar boo hubby. Next on my list is all of my beauties. Look at that love in the pot. Ooh. Guys, look at that love in the pot. Look at all the love in the pot. Okay? Look at another love in the pot. Another love in the pot. Another love in the pot. Guys, try this. I'm sure you will love it. This is so good. Your hubby will love it. Your children will love it. Friends and family will love it. This is Valentine's Day love rice and beans. Okay? We are good. Gucci's team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful. Ciao. See you in my next video. Thank you for staying. I love you all. Happy Valentine's Day to all my lovers on this channel. Happy Valentine's. Yes, to everyone. Guys, look at that beautiful pot of goodness I made for my husband and my children, my family. Family is everything for me, guys. What did you do for your hubby on the Valentine's Day? What did you do for your wife on the Valentine's Day? What did you do for your children on the Valentine's Day? Guys, you don't really need too much headache for all of this love days. Just do the most interesting thing for your hobby. Do the most interesting thing for your wife and your children, and that is it. For my husband, he will just tell me, baby, today I want you to make me beans, or I want you to make me plantain, or I want you to make me some rice and beans. You know, my husband is a home boy. He's a home boy, and I love him for it. Stay tuned and enjoy more videos from this channel.